Now that you know your pelvic breath, your relaxation Kegel, let's move on to strengthening Kegels. There are two strengthening Kegels that we teach: contract, relax, and quick flicks. I teach two types of pelvic floor muscle strengthening Kegels because there are two types of pelvic floor muscles. So the first type, this contract, relax, strengthening Kegel, targets these slow twitch pelvic floor muscles. I know it's a mouthful, but the slow twitch are very similar to our postural muscles throughout our body, which they are more about stability. So these pelvic floor muscles are the ones they keep the pelvic floor stable. They're on about 30 to 40% in strength, and we want to make sure that they are as strong as they can be without tightening our pelvic floor. And then the second type, these quick flicks, they're much easier usually for women to learn, and they are about movement, in particular the sphincters that we talked about, both for the urethra and the anus, so that when we don't want to have leakage, they can tighten up and not have leakage. Okay, let's go practice.